Hi, and welcome back to Dr. KJ's Age to Perfection. Today we're going to be talking about what skincare routine you should be doing with working out. So working out is great for the skin. It helps boost oxygenated blood going to your pores so your skin can look more vibrant and radiant. However, working out can also wreak havoc of your skin. When you're working out, you're sweating, sweat's going through your pores, bacteria, sebum, makeup, or anything that's on your skin can help clog those pores and lead to outbreaks. So it's really important that you have a good routine to do before you work out and also after you work out to prevent those breakouts. So before I work out, I always make sure to start with clean skin, whether it's at the beginning of the day when I'm first waking up or at the end of the day near nighttime and I've been going throughout my whole day. I'm going to clean my skin first. And when I say clean my skin, I don't mean doing my double cleansing routine because I'm going to want to do that at the end after I work out. And it's important not to over cleanse your skin because over cleansing your skin can cause irritation and further your outbreaks. So to start with, I usually start with a cleanser like beauty water. We've talked about the Sun and Park beauty water before. And the beauty water just lightly and naturally exfoliates your skin and cleanses your skin so you can start working out with clean skin. If I have on sunblock, makeup, or oils from the night before that I place on my skin, I'm going to want to start with the Micellar water. These are really great because they have some oil in it, so it helps get the oil-based things off your skin. This is a brand that I found recently that I really love. It's called Botanicals. This is a small women-owned company, and this woman uses her Mexican heritage and her roots to create small batch natural products. So this is a great natural product. After I cleanse my skin, I then will add something like the essence. So I'll put a treatment on like the Missha's First Treatment Essence to help hydrate, increase my cell turnover. Or I'll add the Glow Recipes, Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, to my skin, and this just has hyaluronic acid and AHA, so it helps treat my skin as I'm exercising. And then after I treat my skin, before I go out or even before I exercise, even if I'm staying in my home, I make sure to put a sunblock on if the sun is out. So the sunblock that I use when I work out is it's not waterproof, it's a water resistant one, and that's the Black Girl Sunscreen. I actually use the one for kids to put on my face and my whole body before I exercise. It's SPF 50. It has a great scent. It's paraffin-free, fragrance-free, no oxybenzones, no oxalates. I'm not really sure how to pronounce those words, but this is a great sunscreen to use, and I use it. My teenage son uses it, so the whole family can use this sunscreen. Before I work out, I also make sure my hair is off my face. Working out, I try not to touch my face at all because I don't want to introduce bacteria or anything or debris onto my skin. Then I go exercise. When I'm done exercise, that's when I'm going to come back and do my double cleanse. Within 30 minutes of exercising, as soon as I can, I want to make sure to get out those sweaty clothes, to get all the dirt, grime, bacteria off of me so that my whole skin on my face and my body can be clear. Important to double cleanse after you work out. So the oil-based cleanser, then your water-based cleanser, then the rest of your routine. I really hope that this helps you keep your skin looking how you want it to while you're exercising and not experiencing any outbreaks. If you like the video, make sure you press like, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back for more. Make sure to leave me some comments in the comment section. I'd be happy to answer anything you have. Thanks.